Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of logistics. Now you might not think logistics is all that exciting, but trust me, it's the backbone of modern commerce. Everything you buy, from that new phone to the food on your table, relies on a complex network of processes and systems to get from point A to point B. That's what logistics is all about, ensuring the efficient and effective flow of goods, information, and services. We're talking transportation, warehousing, inventory management, supply chain planning, and so much more. So buckle up, because in this video, we're breaking down each of these core functions and how they all work together to keep the world running smoothly. All right, let's start with transportation, the lifeblood of logistics. We're talking about moving goods from one location to another, and it's not as simple as just throwing everything on a truck and hitting the gas. We need to consider the most appropriate mode of transportation. Are we talking trucks, trains, ships, airplanes? Each has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of cost, speed, and capacity. Then, we've got to figure out the most efficient routes. Think about it. Time is money in the logistics world, and every minute a truck is stuck in traffic or a shipment is delayed is costing someone money. That's where route optimization software and real-time traffic monitoring come into play. And let's not forget about managing transportation assets, the trucks, ships, and planes themselves. Maintenance, fuel efficiency, driver schedules, it all adds up. Companies are constantly looking for ways to optimize their transportation networks to minimize costs and transit times. Because at the end of the day, faster and cheaper transportation means happier customers and a healthier bottom line. Next up, let's talk about warehousing, a critical component of the logistics process. Now, you might think warehousing is just about finding a big empty building and stuffing it full of products, but it's so much more than that. We're talking about strategic storage, organization, and efficient order fulfillment. First off, products need to be stored safely and securely, protected from damage, theft, and the elements. Temperature control, security systems, and proper handling procedures are all crucial. Then there's the issue of order fulfillment. When an order comes in, you need to be able to locate the product quickly, pick it accurately, package it securely, and ship it out the door as fast as possible. And let's not forget about inventory management within the warehouse. We need to make sure we have enough product on hand to meet demand, but not so much that we're wasting valuable storage space and tying up capital. Efficient warehousing is all about maximizing space utilization, minimizing handling time, and ensuring the smooth flow of products in and out of the facility. All right, let's talk about inventory management, one of the most crucial aspects of logistics. This is all about finding that sweet spot, having enough inventory on hand to meet customer demand without overstocking and tying up too much capital. It's a delicate balancing act, and it all starts with accurate demand forecasting. Companies use historical data, market trends, and even predictive analytics to anticipate future demand for their products. Then comes stock level optimization. This involves determining the minimum amount of inventory needed to meet demand while minimizing storage costs and the risk of obsolescence. And of course, we can't forget about replenishment planning, making sure that we're ordering new inventory at the right time and in the right quantities to keep those shelves stocked. Effective inventory management is all about minimizing inventory holding costs while maximizing customer satisfaction. It's a constant game of optimization, and it requires sophisticated software, data analysis, and a whole lot of planning. Okay, let's talk about packaging. Now, you might not think packaging is that big of a deal, but it plays a critical role in the logistics process. First and foremost, packaging protects products during transit and storage. We're talking about preventing damage from drops, bumps, vibrations, temperature changes, you name it. A damaged product is a lost sale, so companies invest a lot of time and money in designing and testing packaging to ensure their products arrive in pristine condition. But packaging is about more than just protection. It can also be a powerful marketing tool. Think about it. The packaging is often the first thing a customer sees when they receive a product. So, companies use packaging to create a positive first impression. communicate brand values, and even influence purchasing decisions. From the materials used to the design and printing, packaging can make all the difference in how a product is perceived. Finally, let's talk about supply chain planning, the big picture of logistics. This is where we connect all the dots, from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product to the customer. Supply chain planning involves designing and managing the entire network of suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, and transportation providers. It's about optimizing the flow of goods and information across the entire supply chain to minimize costs, reduce lead times, and improve efficiency. And of course, risk management is a huge part of supply chain planning. We need to identify potential disruptions, like natural disasters, political instability, or supplier issues, and develop contingency plans to mitigate their impact. A resilient supply chain is essential for business continuity, especially in today's uncertain world. Supply chain planning is a complex and ever-evolving field, and it requires a deep understanding of logistics, data analysis, and strategic thinking. So there you have it, a glimpse into the complex and fascinating world of logistics. From transportation and warehousing to inventory management and supply chain planning, it's a massive industry that touches every aspect of our lives. Next time you order something online or pick up a product at the store, take a moment to appreciate the intricate network of people, processes, and technologies that made it all possible. For more insights into the world of logistics, head over to logisticsacademy.in, a fantastic resource for anyone looking to learn more about this vital industry. Thanks for watching.